All right, we're doing one more example, and in this case, we're gonna be subtracting. Again, same thing. We're gonna start by dividing up our different terms. So here we have x squared y. So we're gonna see if we have x squared y, and the only x squared y that we have on the other side is the first term. The second like term that we have is that negative 3y squared. So we're going to see which term matches my y squared term, and that's this last term right here. And then I have 5xy squared, and then that is our last term because that also matches our, sorry, let me use a different color that you can see. That matches our 3xy squared. There's something a little bit different here, and that is this negative that we see here, right? We see a little negative. Before we do anything, we should distribute that negative so we're not confused. And as I had said before, two negatives always give you a positive. So we're going to distribute that negative right here. So this is going to become positive. This positive 3xy is actually going to become negative because now we're distributing that negative, and that last value is going to become positive because we have two negatives, and two negatives give me a positive. So now that we have that, we know what our like terms are. We're just going to do the math now. So here we have a positive x squared y and a positive x squared y. So that's going to give me 2x squared y. So now I got rid of those two things. Now, my next ones is that negative 3y squared and that positive 3y squared. So unfortunately, because we have a negative and a positive and they're the exact same value, they're going to cancel out and we're not left with any y squares. We're done. And then our last term is our xy squared, and we have a positive xy squared and a negative 3xy squared. And so what's going to happen is that I'm subtracting that 3xy squared, and I am left with only 2xy squared, and our answer is this. Because we cannot simplify anything any longer. A lot of you guys may think, oh, wait, Ms. Gonzalez, but I have x and y on both terms. Yes, but there is a difference, right? My squared is the x value here, and in my other is my y value that is squared. So that makes a grand difference, and so that's why you cannot combine those like terms because they're not, you cannot combine those terms because they are not like terms.